My dear students, parents, and teachers, I wish all of you a very successful and happy new academic year. What is the difference between a fool and an intelligent person? They say, fool is someone who does not learn from experience and consequently does not make any progress. On the other hand, an intelligent person is someone who learns from experience and consequently makes progress. Last academic year was a new experience for all of us. Having to study and teach in an online platform was an experience never heard before. I congratulate all the students, parents, and staff members of Mary Mother School because last year, because of the hard efforts and the full-hearted cooperation, we have done well and we have completed the academic year very successfully. However, we need to be not only smart but intelligent. And as intelligent Mary Mother family, we need to learn lessons from last year's experience and make further progress this year. That is the challenge before us. Go higher and higher. This academic year also, we have to begin on an online platform. But we will face it and we will make greater progress. That's the confidence we have from the last year's experience. Once again, I wish all the students, parents, teachers, and non-teaching staff members of Mary Mother family a very successful, happy, bright new academic year. Let's together make progress, and further progress. Thank you very much.
Very good greetings to one and all. Yes, today we begin a new chapter of academic year 2021-2022. On this colorful day, I wish you all a brightest future ahead. First of all, let me take this opportunity to thank the manager, principal, PTA members, teachers, and my dear loving students for the warm welcome that you have extended to me to be a part of Mary Mother English School. It gives me immense pleasure to be a part of this family, and it will be a remarkable milestone in my life as a newly ordained priest. As we are in the COVID era, everything is digitalized. We too are part of it by teaching and learning. I could see the tremendous effort that you have put forward to bring success to our institution during the last years. Small steps in the right direction can turn to be the biggest step of your life. On this memorable day, I pray, may the Almighty God shower His manifold blessings upon each one of us to be the twinkling stars which brightens our darkened world. Be good, do good, then all become good. Especially, I congratulate to all the teachers for you all are taking the special effort and your self-sacrifice and your dedication towards this institution. Thank you, one and all.
A very pleasant good morning, dear parents, staff, and my dear students. I'm extremely happy to meet you and to greet you through this virtual platform. I hope and pray that you are safe, healthy, and happy. First of all, I would like to express my sincere appreciation and gratitude to you, dear parents, for standing with and supporting Mary Mother during this time of crisis. With your cooperation and support, with the hard work and commitment of the staff and the efficient management, we have successfully completed an online year and we are all set to step into a new academic year 2021-22. Today, as we look around, we can hear and see stories of pain, difficulties, pandemic, virus, flood, etc., etc. And amidst all these difficult problems, dear students, I would like to remind you one thing. The real strength of a character, of a personality, is the ability to cope up with these problems, the ability to grow, to develop, to be creative and innovative amidst all these obstacles. Dear students, I call on you to take this year as a challenge to prove that you are capable, talented, and you are special. Once decided, nobody can stop you. No virus, no pandemic can stop you from growing. And when you reach the end of this academic year, you can stand firm, confident, and vibrant. So reset your life pattern, readjust your time, and refocus your goal. A very special and warm welcome to all the newcomers of Mary Mother. This is your family and we love you all. Dear students, I wish you all the very best for the new academic year and have a great virtual learning experience. May this year be your best year. God bless you all.
പ്രിയമുള്ളവരെ, ഒരു പുതിയ അധ്യയന വർഷം ആരംഭിക്കുകയാണ്. വളരെ സജീവവും സക്രിയവുമായിരുന്ന വിദ്യാലയ അന്തരീക്ഷം മാറി കഴിഞ്ഞ ഒരു വർഷം നമ്മളെല്ലാവരും ഓൺലൈൻ മാധ്യമങ്ങളിലൂടെയാണ് നമ്മുടെ ക്ലാസ്സുകൾ കേട്ടതും പഠിച്ചതും ഒക്കെ തന്നെ. തുടർന്ന് ഈ അധ്യയന വർഷത്തിൻ്റെ സാഹചര്യവും ഏറെ വ്യത്യസ്തമല്ലാതെ തുടരുകയാണ്. കഴിഞ്ഞ വർഷം ഓൺലൈൻ ക്ലാസ്സുകളിലൂടെ മികച്ച അധ്യയന വർഷം പ്രദാനം ചെയ്ത നമ്മുടെ സ്കൂൾ ഓൺലൈൻ ഫെസ്റ്റിലൂടെ പാഠ്യേതര വിഷയങ്ങളിലും വളരെ സജീവമായിട്ട് ഇടപെടുന്നതായിരുന്നു കഴിഞ്ഞ അധ്യയന വർഷം. അതോടൊപ്പം തന്നെ കഴിഞ്ഞ ഒരു വെക്കേഷൻ കാലം എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് നിരന്തരമായിട്ട് അധ്യാപകരും പ്രിൻസിപ്പളും ഒക്കെ തന്നെ നിരന്തരമായി കുട്ടികളുമായിട്ട് അവർക്കൊരു അധ്യയന വർഷത്തിൻ്റെ ഇടവേള ഫീൽ ചെയ്യാത്ത വിധത്തിൽ തന്നെ വളരെ സജീവമായിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു അന്തരീക്ഷമാണ് കഴിഞ്ഞ കാലഘട്ടത്തിൽ ഉണ്ടായിട്ടുള്ളത്. തുടർന്നും ഏതായാലും ഈ കോവിഡിൻ്റെ രണ്ടാം വരവോടുകൂടി പുതിയ അധ്യയന വർഷം ആരംഭിക്കുകയാണ്. ഈ വർഷവും തുടക്കം ഏതായാലും ഓൺലൈൻ വിദ്യാഭ്യാസത്തിലൂടെ തന്നെയാണ് ആരംഭിക്കുന്നത്. ഈ ഒരു പുതിയ അധ്യയന വർഷത്തിലും ഇവിടെ സ്കൂളിൽ എത്തിച്ചേരുന്ന പുതിയ വിദ്യാർത്ഥികൾക്കും അതോടൊപ്പം തന്നെ ഇവിടെ പഠിച്ചുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്ന എല്ലാ വിദ്യാർത്ഥികൾക്കും ഒരു നല്ല അധ്യയന വർഷം ആശംസിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് നിർത്തുന്നു. എല്ലാവർക്കും നന്ദി, നമസ്കാരം.